This is what it takes to be a real man. Just loving your dog, bro. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 ways. No, actually, there's a bonus way if you wait till the end. So let's talk about the first 3 ways. So 3 ways to make £100 a day in England or in America or around the world. We live in an age where online is everything. We can access the world in our hands. Making £100 a day is nothing. Initial setup, evergreen methods. Keep your normal job. You're making £30,000 a year. Make another £10,000. Make another £30,000 a year. Extra on top of your income by doing little to nothing every day on your side hustle. Having a side hustle is very, very important in this day and age. There are many reasons which we're not going to go into today. We will go into these in our more in-depth, deep philosophical topics that we will talk about in our YouTube videos. Maybe next week. You'll have a look. I'll link it up here when it's out. The 3 ways to make money, 3 ways to make £100 a day in 2023, in 2024, in 2027. Evergreen methods, simple as they can get in the online age. Number 1, online freelancing. Many of you may have a side hobby that you love doing. For example, video editing, voiceover, posters, images, Photoshop, whatever it is. You can go onto websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and another one called Freelancer. You can go onto these websites, sign up, advertise your services, put your pricing up. People will send you requests saying they want this, they want that, they want anything done. You will answer saying yes or no. This is my price. Are you willing to pay? They pay and you've done your job. We live in another age of AI as well. You can create posters and images instantly with AI technology. Simple as that. £100 a day, possibly in the next month, you can achieve this. That's your side hustle. Takes half an hour with AI, for example. And we will go over the methods of AI in future episodes. That's method number 1. Method number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you promote other people's products or services. E.g., if you have a YouTube channel, if you have Facebook, if you have Instagram that's got a few thousand followers, this may take a little bit longer. But you can have Amazon affiliates. You can have many different affiliates. People will pay you for affiliating. People will pay you for different things. You earn a small commission and these add up to substantial amounts. I know other YouTubers have put out videos saying that they make hundreds of thousands of pounds because of their millions of views. And now that is talking a bit too high scale for us. Sometimes we want to start a basic, a few thousand followers, making £100 a day, making £20 a day, just extra on the side. Blending it in with the other methods that we're going to speak about can make you a substantial sum at the end of the year. More in-depth tutorials on how to do this will come in the future. Number 3, e-commerce. This is a very, very important one. Now, I've seen many dropshipping courses come out on YouTube ads. You may have seen one just before this. People taking advantage of all of this kind of thing, saying dropshipping is good, blah, blah, blah. Yes, it is good if it's done correctly and you're not waiting 60 days for a product coming from China. Okay. End of story. E-commerce, what can we do? Okay, number 1, post a website. Simplest idea. Poster creation, logo creation. Use AI technology. Tell the AI technology what you want from the logo. It will create it for you. Again, we will go over this in more in-depth in the future. Create it for you. You upload that, send it to your client. He's paid you £100 for 2 or 3 logos and a marketing kit. There you go. Bob's your uncle. You've got another £100. £100 a day, easy, said, then done. No, actually, it's easier done than said. It sounds so simple. Yes, it is very simple at the same time. Number 3. Oh, we've done 3. So what's the bonus one? Online bloody courses. Every YouTube video that you watch right now, there is someone trying to sell you an online course. They're not bad. They're good. Buy them if they're from the right people. Every YouTube ad, maybe 1 in 10, 1 in 5, 1 in 3 even, you'll see someone saying, oh, buy my online course. Yes, buy it if it's from a reputable source, the reviews are good, and they're not ripping you off, and the information is good. Because online courses are the way to learn. We don't learn many things in school. Therefore, create your own online courses. E.g., you're a plumber. Go onto platforms such as Udemy. A plumber can teach you how to replace a tap, for example. Charge £10 for it. Someone buys the video. They learn how to replace a tap. 100 people buy it. That's £1,000. 10 people buy it. That's £100. You're an accountant. Do a little webinar, seminar, workshop on how to do your accounts, for example, for self-employed. A small self-employed company, how to do it. Put it on YouTube, put it on Udemy, sell your course, £100. £100 can be achieved extra from your normal income very easily in 2023, as long as you embrace the technological world and AI world and the online platforms that we live in this day and age. Embrace them, love them, caress them, use them, and make that money. Don't just sit on your bum all day. Stand up, make yourself proud, learn from the world, and implement. And you yourself can make £100 a day easily. Next time, we'll talk about bigger sums and how to make bigger money. But if you like what we're talking about, and if you're willing to learn how to implement these 3 ideas that I've just mentioned today into your life, wait for our in-depth tutorials and episodes and videos on how to do these coming soon in the future. If you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and see you soon in our next video. Thank you very much.